Imagine stepping into a metal tube orbiting Earth at 17,500 miles per hour, only to discover the temperature inside is a suffocating 130 degrees Fahrenheit, and the very air you breathe is slowly becoming toxic. In 1973, NASA didn't just send men into space, they accidentally sent them into an orbital death trap. Within weeks, the astronauts' bones began literally dissolving, losing calcium 10 times faster than a severe osteoporosis patient. Their hearts physically shrank by up
Adrift
to 20%.
in the crimson haze, the commander
Medical
realized the
doctors on
true
the ground
cost
were
of
completely
isolation.
baffled.
The nebula
A fierce
gas was
debate
everywhere.
erupted at mission control. If a few weeks in orbit destroys a perfectly healthy human, are we biologically trapped on Earth forever? Before this mission, NASA was riding an impossible high. The Apollo program proved we could land on the moon. But a lunar trip only takes about a week. The prevailing theory among top scientists was that human biology was resilient, that our bodies would just naturally adapt to zero gravity the same way they adapt to high altitudes. Standard physics and rocket science were conquered.
Adrift
But this
in the
is where
crimson
things get
haze,
strange,
the commander
because
realized
physics
the
is
true
predictable.
cost of isolation.
Human biology
The nebula
in the dead
gas
vacuum
was
of space.
everywhere.
It is terrifyingly chaotic. I am about to show you the recently declassified medical logs from this mission, and the real reason a NASA crew actually shut off communications with Earth. What I am about to reveal next is exactly why so many truth seekers are joining us here at Deep Space Secrets every single day. So make sure you hit that follow button right now, you do not want to miss what we are uncovering next. The date is May 14, 1973. NASA launches Skylab, America's first space
Adrift
station.
in the crimson haze,
But
the commander
exactly
realized
63
the true
seconds into
cost of
flight,
isolation.
a catastrophic anomaly
nebula
rips the
gas was
micrometeoroid
everywhere.
shield right off the hull. It tears away a massive solar panel and jams the other. Skylab reaches orbit, but it is crippled. With no shield, the unfiltered sun bakes the station. Toxic gases begin off-gassing from the melting plastic bulkheads inside. 11 days later, a crew of 3 is launched not to explore, but to save it. But stepping inside was a gamble that almost cost them their lives. Stay with me here, because how they survived changed spaceflight
Adrift
forever.
in the crimson haze,
They
the commander
essentially had to
realized the
perform
true
open-heart
cost of
surgery on the
isolation.
station while floating
The
in a
nebula
vacuum.
gas was everywhere.
But the real shock came during the 84-day Skylab 4 mission. Scientists discovered that without gravity, the human body cannibalizes itself. Think of your muscles and bones like the concrete foundation of a house. Take away gravity, and your brain says, I don't need this heavy concrete anymore, and rapidly breaks it down. The astronauts returned so weak they couldn't even stand up. But fixing the physical destruction wasn't the biggest problem. But here is where it gets crazy. The
Adrift
biggest
in the
threat
crimson
wasn't
haze,
physical.
the commander
It was
realized the true
psychological.
cost of isolation.
During Skylab
The nebula
4,
gas
the
was
crew was
everywhere.
pushed so incredibly hard by Mission Control's relentless schedule that they hit a total mental breaking point. They literally turned off their radio. For a full day, they refused to speak to NASA, sparking rumors of the first ever mutiny in space. Scientists around the world are now fiercely debating this. Was it a simple rebellion against a boss, or a documented symptom of a terrifying psychological fracture caused by total cosmic isolation? This affects how we see our place in the universe. If we are going to colonize Mars,
Adrift in the
we have to
crimson
survive
haze,
a
the
9-month
commander
journey inside a
realized the
tiny,
true cost of
isolated metal
isolation.
can.
The nebula
So,
gas was
I genuinely
everywhere.
want to know what you think. Which do you believe is the biggest roadblock to humanity becoming a multiplanetary species? Is it option 1, the sheer physical destruction of our bodies from zero gravity and radiation? Or option 2, the psychological toll of being millions of miles away from Earth, risking a total mental breakdown? Drop your theory in the comments right now. I read every single one, and I want to see what this community thinks. By the end of this video, you will understand why Skylab is the most important
Adrift
mission
in the
nobody
crimson
talks
haze,
about.
the commander realized
Without
the
these
true
harrowing
cost of
lessons,
isolation.
the International Space
The nebula
Station would
gas
not
was
exist
everywhere.
today. Scientists are now using Skylab's exact medical data to design the Artemis moon missions and the future Mars transit vehicles. We learned that astronauts must exercise for at least 2 hours every single day using specialized heavy resistance machines just to keep their hearts from shrinking and their spines from stretching out of place. Skylab forced humanity to realize a humbling truth. We aren't just battling the vacuum of space, we are battling millions of years of earthbound evolution. What you are about to see changes everything.
Adrift in the crimson
humanity
haze,
learned,
the commander
and we
realized
adapted.
the true cost of
Today,
isolation.
thanks to the immense
The nebula
sacrifices
gas
of
was
those early
everywhere.
Skylab crews, we have astronauts who have lived in space for over a year with incredible success. We have engineered advanced countermeasures, from vacuum pants that physically pull blood back into the legs, to dietary supplements that lock calcium into the bones. As we look forward to the upcoming Artemis missions and the construction of the Lunar Gateway Station, we are no longer flying blind. We know exactly what it takes to survive out there in the dark. The challenges of deep space are monumental, but human ingenuity is proving to be even stronger.
Adrift in the crimson haze,
But this isn't
the
the only
commander
time
realized
NASA
the
had to
true
rewrite
cost
the
of
rulebook to
isolation.
cheat death in the cosmos.
The nebula gas was everywhere.
Next week, we are uncovering the classified truth behind the Apollo 13 blackout period. And in an upcoming video, we are looking into the disturbing anomaly discovered by the Voyager 1 probe as it crossed into interstellar space. You will not want to miss those. Thank you for watching, and for being part of this incredible community. Remember this, the human body was forged in the cradle of Earth, but our minds are what will carry us to the stars. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay
Adrift
curious,
in the crimson
keep
haze,
looking up,
the
and I
commander
will see you in
realized
the
the
next
true
one.
cost of isolation. The nebula gas was everywhere.